Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of Finding Freedom. In this video, we're going to talk about how to use AI to make money. Now, I know some of you may not have a lot of it, but we can work with what you got. Now, one of the things I want you to do is either to use AI, or I should say use ChatGPT or Google's Gemini in order to do this. And what you want to do is tell AI to become a collective mind of the top professional business coaches, entrepreneurs, innovators, investors, and financial experts and marketers in the world with over 30 years of experience. From there, its job is to help you make as much money as possible with whatever service or product you have to offer to the world. Now, whether you sell stuff or you provide services, you can get this done. So go ahead and put that prompt in. Remember, become a collective mind of the top business coaches, innovators, inventors, entrepreneurs, marketers, and financial experts in the world with over 30 years of experience, and tell it that its job is to help you make as much money as possible with the budget that you have. Now, that last part, the budget that you have, is whatever you have to offer. So let's say you're starting off with a $300 or $100 or $500. You want to put that budget in that prompt. From there, you're going to ask it if it understands. Once it says yes, that it understands, you're going to tell it to ask you as many questions as possible to help you accomplish the task of making as much money as possible. From there, it's going to list out a bunch of questions for you to go over to help you achieve what it is that you're trying to do, or your desired outcome of making as much money as possible with whatever budget you started off with. Now, if you're getting any value out of this video, go ahead and smash that like button and don't forget to follow me. But moving forward, from there, every time you have a situation, whether that's a marketing issue, a business related issue, financial issue, whatever the case, you can go back to that chat and you can ask it to now help you with whatever it is you have to do next. Let's say it's marketing. You want it to help you create a 30, 60, and 90-day marketing plan and strategy. Tell it to be as detailed as possible and to use bullet points. What this will do, because it's already acting as a collective mind of all these into different people or different mindsets, it's going to tap into the marketing one and it will go ahead and put a marketing plan and strategy for you, and it will put it in bullet point format so that it's not only detailed but precise, and it shows you what to do step by step. Now, if you want it to go and be more precise, just tell it to be more precise or be more detailed. From there, you want it to help you not only build a website or a landing page or whatever, but you can do that with AI by either requesting for it to do so, or using an AI platform like Figma to go ahead and create the platform website for you, such as Figma with Wix or Squarespace or WordPress, and now you have a landing page or a website, preferably that comes with email, that you can utilize for your product or service. Or let's say you're trying to trade and invest in the stock market, you now have your E-Trade account or your Robinhood account. Now, another thing it might tell you to do is, well, utilize the skills that you have. If you need help with the skills that you have, or you're looking to improve them, remember there are other things you can utilize to help educate you in this. You can turn AI into your own professor or teacher in that field and tell it to provide you with a list of free materials in order to educate yourself in whatever it is you're trying to pursue. If you're using Google's Gemini, you can ask it for YouTube links and videos, or links to other videos that are free, similar to YouTube, that may come from places like Class Central, where you could get certified through large corporations to help you with what it is that you're trying to pursue when it comes to utilizing your skills and putting your credentials out there. So once again, this has been another episode of Finding Freedom. If you got any value out of these prompts, out of what you learned in here, please, please, please go ahead and smash that like button, and don't forget to follow me. Till next time, my friends, take care. Have a great freaking day.